Hi you guys, welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got in my Yarnable and my ALC. Let's see if maybe tilting you guys this way will be a little bit better. We're having some natural light bleed over today, and I'm filming much later than normal. It's noon. I got a nice little shadow going on there. Oh well. It is what it is. Que sera, sera. Cold coffee. I ran to the post office today, picked up a package. I'm still waiting on one to be sorted into my P.O. box. It says it's there, but that'll be coming content. Anywho, I suppose let's start off with the ALC this month. And hopefully I don't knock everything off my desk. I hope you guys are really excited to see some really yummy yarns. So first off, we got a tote bag. This one is, what's that, about 3 inches? About 2.5, 3 inches deep. And we got a little poppy toy, fidget toy keychain, which I'm going to give to the grandkids because they will have a blast with that. It's also unicorn colors, which is a big thing with the kids still. We have a tape measure, one of those tools that I think everybody should have in a project bag at all times. That's just my card. And then last up for my ALC this month, let me just tell you guys, oh my god. So she said these were a little bit harder for her to dye because they're off her normal plan. By the way, Nikki. The name of this one is Flannel Me This. I get mine in the fingering weight. Look at that. Look at that. We got some gorgeous, like, rusty reds, and we've got some gold. I love this teal. This is an absolutely gorgeous shade of teal. Now, I would love to have a flannel shirt in this color palette. Yes, indeed. Yes, ma'am. Yes, I love this. I do. This is gorgeous. I do have my ALCs and my Yarnables here in baskets. So, after we do the unboxing, I will take a few seconds, grab some yarns that pair with these, and share with you guys the pairings. But up next, we have this month's Yarnable. So once again, they have moved to these zip top bags, which I love. I have some more ephemera and stuff that I need to sort in the other room. That's what this will be used for. Because I have quite a few of these, or this style of bag that I'm already using in there to hold scraps and stuff. So first off, from Fox and Pine, we have some little tags. This one is so stinking cute. Pippin is running amok. This still smells so good. So this is Little House on the Homestead Cinnamon Spice Farm Made Artesian Soap. So that's the front edge of it, the pour edge. And it smells cinnamony, but there's like a soft, almost apple smell to it. And almost, stop trying to eat my shoes, Pippin. Almost like a candy apple. It's very sweet, but it's not like the apple smell is sweet, not the soap. So it's very spicy cinnamon with like a sweet apple scent. underneath, but it's very spicy on the top. That's really nice. We also got, this is from Signature Collections. This is a 2.6 ounce hand poured cinnamon swirl scented candle. And this one smells very much like bakery fresh cinnamon rolls. It's very buttery. It's a very sweet cinnamon versus a spicy cinnamon. And there is a touch of vanilla in there, but it's not super strong vanilla. It smells so good. This is also the time of year where I enjoy the smells the most. I like the weather the most. I am very much a fall girl. And then the yarn from Yarnable this month. The name of this one is Sinful Delight, C-I-N-N-F-U-L. And the funny thing is, like, we've got these, once again, Cheryl and her team are great at these speckles, and the speckles adding such dimension, because a lot of times they're very contrasting colors to what the base color is. We've seen that with the avocado. We're seeing it here once again. There's another one I will try to find when I'm, but we have, you know, hot pink. Banner, Mama's upstairs. He's downstairs mewing. There's some teal and hot pink. We've got that gold. I don't know why, but my cats have just decided they're going to go crazy. Banner is downstairs crying. Pippin keeps trying to eat my shoes. Anyway, to me, while yes, it does look like cinnamon bun, it makes me think of cinnamon buns. What this really makes me think of is toasted marshmallow. And I know we've done a s'more before with Yarnable, or she's done a s'more and we've received it. But for some reason, this looks more like toasted marshmallow to me. But I just love the way they do the unexpected colors with the speckles in there. And it always works. It's never, oh, why did they choose that color? Like, it literally makes sense every time they do this. And it's so cool. So anyway, we have a very much cinnamon palette, cinnamon theme for our Yarnable. And then we kind of have, well, now I just dropped the keychain. I was going to say we have a cozy afternoon at home with ALC this month. So let me dig through my bins real quick and I'll come up with some pairings, because once again, if you're unfamiliar with this unboxing, a lot of people subscribe to both of these, partially because I have reviewed both of these here on the channel. I will leave the links in the iCard and in the description box for the first video of each of those review series. If you're interested in seeing my subscription box review series, there is a playlist here. If you go to the tab for playlists, there is a playlist that's just for subscription box reviews. But these two dyers in particular tend to have colors that come across both things. But one of the things I say with these independent dyers, when you find dyers that speak to you and you like their style, if you get their subscription box, you may not have, like, you don't have to buy like a 2 skein subscription in order to be able to use the yarns. If you want to do a multi-skein or multi-hank project, you can save up some of them that you don't maybe have like a one-off project to do with a single skein, or you can just order an extra skein if you're really in love with the colorway. But a dyer tends to use very similar colors in their work. They have their own fingerprints and styles, just like you can almost always tell what is a Picasso. You can generally tell similar dyers, but these two dyers in particular tend to have non-matching but coordinating colors that come out over the course of a year. So there, I will be pairing cross companies here, but I know a lot of you guys here that are part of my subscriber base have in the past or still are subscribed to both of these subscription boxes. So let me dig through my baskets and see what I come up with. Okie dokie artichoke. So once again, I just took a couple of seconds. This isn't something that I spend a whole lot of time on finding pairings, but I did come up with a really cool 4 yarn set. So we've got one that leans heavy purple, one that leans heavy pink, one that is heavy in the purple and pink with shots of gold, and then we've got this month's yarn. So this is actually last month. This is September 2023. So this is the October, the October ALC, the November Yarnable. So this is this month. This is last month. These two pair great together, especially where with the Canadian Sunset, we got a lot of the yellow that just kind of in there. And then I'm pairing that with Let the Good Times Roll, which is also a very recent color. This is May 2023. So both companies have now started putting the dates. The box came out on the label. Nikki has confirmed it's because I said that would be a really good idea because I'm doing these pairings and then I can't tell you what month these are from. And then this one is This Is Love. And I believe this was this year's February yarn. So this would make a really awesome fade set, especially if you started the project with one, either Canadian Sunset or Flannel Me This, had these two in the middle and then ended with the other. That would be an awesome, so I guess it would be more like, combining kind of more this way. I think I like the purple with Flannel Me This more. Yeah. So that is a pretty awesome combo set there. Then I think that's the only one I matched up with this. So for the ALC, first off, Party Like It's 2023 is another one that has unexpected. I mean, who would think to put like that gold and that green in there in the speckling with this beautiful pink yarn. And it does look like a disco ball. It's kind of cool. So, fun things that can pair with this. Oh, I did have one more for Flannel with this. So this is Grape Crush. You would need another blender to go with this. But I don't have, I would want something that has more of this blue in it. And maybe has shots of the teal in it to kind of pull these together. But these would coordinate really well together. And this is also another example of, this is like a, it's called Grape Crush. So you're expecting purple. But once again, who would have thought to put blue fragments into that? Anyway, but that needs another blender in there with it, like I did with the combination with the Canadian Sunset. All right. So here we are with our Sinfully Delicious. This pairs so much fun with the Life is Gouda. And if you had another one that had maybe some more like of the soft green and gray with kind of the camel tone that's in both of these, that would be really cool all together. But my favorite is actually Laugh S'more, Worry Less, which is why I said we have a s'more theme. So this has hints of pink with the gold and the brown on a fairly neutral, natural yarn. But these three together, I really, really like. This is the Apple Crisp. So this is like fall last year, I believe. Actually, both of these may be from last year, but I really like these three together. Maybe more like that. Like that. No. Yes. So what do you guys think? I really like these two together. I don't know why that just... I love it. Anyway. Thank you for joining me for the unboxing. Hopefully we will have some more content this week. We're having some project issues, but we'll talk about those when I film about projects next. I am still hoping to do what is the necessities for starting to knit and crochet. And then I would also like to share with you guys some of the fun extras that are useful to have, but not necessary. So anyway, I love you guys. I will see you real soon. I hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day. Bye, guys.